Alright, today we got a new slug. It's called the FAFO Slug, and this is what it looks like. And then we got a sabot for it. And the goal behind these is they're 2 ounces, and they're going to be subsonic. And with this sabot that I have, they should be smooth bore, rifled barrel, and suppressor safe. So it should truly be universal and be able to be shot out of anything you want to shoot it out of as far as the 12 gauge goes. So we're going to get some chronograph data real quick and prove that they're subsonic, and then we're going to start tearing some stuff up. Don't forget to head to ballisticmachinist.com and sign up for our newsletter to make sure that you stay up to date on all the newest releases. And don't forget, always shoot cool shit. Alright, we're going to do a couple now to try and get the velocity. They're a little sketchy if they pick up on the lab radar, but we're going to give it a shot. Alright, so we got 949 on that one. We got a 979. And that one didn't read. Alright, it has started snowing, but we're still going to push on here. We got a FAFO Slug against level 4 ceramic body armor. Go ahead. Alright, let's go check it out. Well, here we are at the level 4 plate, and there is a crater down in here. Absolute crater. It tore that plate up. And look at the bulge in the back of that thing. The camera flattens it out, but it did a number on that level 4 plate. You can see down inside of that thing, there is just a crater of torn up material. And there is the slug, actually. You can see the whole slug sitting right in there. We're going to try to dig that out and see if we can't get it out of there. Alright, well, we got the slug out of there. And it kind of looks like it hit sideways, which is strange because I've shot a couple of these through cardboard to test them, and I got round holes every single time. So we're going to continue with our testing, but when Tau Fledermaus does the video with them, that'll tell the real tale of what's going on with these things. Let's move on. Alright, so now we got 4 cinder blocks stacked up there, and we're going to try another FAFO Slug and see how many it makes it through. Alright, let's go check it out. Well, it definitely obliterated that first one, but it was a little bit off center, so I think we're going to rearrange the blocks and try it one more time. Alright, here we go. Round 2 on the cinder blocks. Well, it completely destroyed the first part of that cinder block. And then we can see right here where it looks like it gouged into it and tried to go through that back wall. But this one is just completely destroyed.
Keep rolling.
Oh, well, we got a slug here. Let's see, look at this one. That one looks like it hit on the side again. So we're definitely going to have to see what's going on with these when Tau Fledermaus shoots them. Alright, let's move on to our next target. Well, I walked down here to this piece of cardboard because I made 5 of these, and I shot them before the video just to make sure that they were flying straight, and that hole is what I got. So they seem to be flying straight on the prototypes. From that batch and this batch, I made this lip 10th smaller. So I'm starting to think that it is possible, with that being 10th smaller, it is actually letting the air catch the wads and is throwing these sideways. But again, we'll find out when Jeff does his video. We are going to shoot one right next to that right now and see what it looks like. Alright, here we go. We're going to see how they're flying in this cardboard, just check where we're at. Let's go down and take a look at it. We can see that it's not as round as the prototype, but it is still round, so maybe they're just turning when they hit. Let's go try something else.
We're Michigan YouTubers. Of course we film in the snow, the rain, the sunshine, the wind. In the same 15 minutes.
Absolutely. Let's see what the FAFO Slug does to the Quikrete. Alright, so before we started shooting, he said he was going to try to shoot this guy because his gloves were better, and he went just a little bit low from his target. But the slug made it all the way through. All the way through the whole pound of the 8-pound bag Quikrete. And we can see right here where we got some cracks where the bullet hit the cinder block backer. And then we found the bullet. And if it focuses, all the damage to this one is on the nose. So I believe the other ones where it looked like it hit sideways could just have turned when it hit the solid target. But again, we'll see when they're shot in slow motion. We got one more target before we wrap this thing up. Alright, we got the last shot of the day. We got 4 5-gallon jugs of water. Let's see how many we can get through. I didn't know that would work. Alright, well, that worked a lot better than I thought it was going to. We completely annihilated this bucket, blew the handle off, ripped the whole side apart on this one, and split the bottom of it. And then, it looks like it was going low here into the third one. Went into it. And I honestly don't know where it went. We got a clean hole going in. It didn't go through the table, and the fourth one is still right there. So we will have to look around and see if we can find that slug. But it will make it through 2 full 5-gallon buckets of water and into the third. So I'm really impressed with how much damage this thing does for being a subsonic slug. It is 2 ounces, and we're going to send them to Tau Fledermaus and have him check them out. Don't forget to go visit our website to see the slugs that we currently have for sale and the interceptors in 9mm and 380 and soon to be 10mm. Alright, I will talk to you all later.